Okay, shwmai pawb, croeso nôl to this week's Patrwm yr Wythnos or Phrase of the Week. Now, last week we looked at Sut wyt ti. I wonder if you can remember what that question was asking. Diane, it was asking, how are you? Wasn't it? Now, this week's Phrase of the Week, we've got a similar situation here whereby we're using one of the words from last week's Phrase of the Week, which is sit. Can you remember what sit means again? How well done. Excellent. And I'm sure that most of you have recognised this word before as well. Tywydd. Tywydd. What does this mean here? Ardderchog. It means the weather, doesn't it? So sut mae'r tywydd is what's the weather like, or how is the weather? Okay, let's have a little practice of asking that then. So let's start with maybe saying it in a robotic voice. Yn ni'n barod? Okay, ar ôl tri. 1, 2, 3. Sut mae'r tywydd? Da iawn. Maybe you can turn around to your partner now if there's one next to you and ask them, sut mae'r tywydd? Maybe look at the ceiling and go, sut mae'r tywydd? Da iawn, ardderchog. Okay, so sut mae'r tywydd is what's the weather like today? And the way to answer that, the pattern of the answer is mae hi'n. It is. Okay, mae hi'n. So you could say, mae hi'n bwrw glaw. It does this a lot in Wales, doesn't it? Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. What does bwrw glaw mean? Ardderchog, it means to rain, isn't it? It's raining. Oh, mae hi'n oer. It's cold. Mae hi'n oer. Mae hi'n braf. Yeah, it's sunny. It's fine. Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n heulog as well. That means it's sunny, doesn't it? So mae hi'n braf and mae hi'n heulog means that it's sunny. What else we could do as well is extend our answers. We went over this last week, but this time it's the use of ond, which means but. Okay, so you could say, well, mae hi'n oer, ond, but dydy hi ddim yn bwrw glaw. Dydy hi ddim, it is not. Dydy hi ddim yn bwrw glaw. So it is cold, however, or but, it is not raining. Okay, so a chance for you there to extend your answers. But lots of different ways of saying sut mae'r tywydd heddiw. I'm sure the majority of your answers this week will be mae hi'n oer and mae hi'n bwrw glaw. But practicing these ones as well will get you those tocynnau Cymraeg, I'm sure, in school. Why don't you send in some videos on your Teams page of practicing with your parents or whoever looks after you at home, which will give you an even further push of getting more tocynnau Cymraeg as well. Remember, on the Friday at the end of every week, whatever house has got the most tocynnau Cymraeg will get 50 extra house points. So please push that as much as possible, guys, all right? Fantastic. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, this week's phrase of the week for the teachers is gwrandewch. Gwrandewch. I'm sure you've heard this all before, isn't it? Gwrandewch, which is to listen. All right, so if you are doing something that needs your full attention, your teacher might say gwrandewch throughout the day. Okay, so listen out for this one. Gwrandewch is the phrase or the word for this week for teachers at Griffithstown. Okay, I'll see you soon. Da bo chi. Hwyl fawr.